All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing something a little differently this evening. So I went ahead, I got my primer kit, and we're going to unbox it tonight. So I ordered an Eastwood primer kit because I'm a do-it-yourself, on the tight budget kind of guy. And that's honestly what this channel is about. The being able to do stuff on a tight budget and making it work. Sometimes things don't go the way you plan, but hey, that's part of life. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. All right, so haven't broken the seal. Went ahead, just grab a knife and yeah. So the nice thing about this kit that I got, it's really for the at-home guy or gal, you know, whatever you want to go as, but it's supposed to be something that's pretty easy for anyone to be able to do. Get all this packing paper out here. Start this side. So the kit that I got my hands on is the Optiflow roll-on primer kit. So this is that's the primer catalyst. Got a couple of these mixing cups. Can of guide coat. 2 cans of guide coat. We got a can of the epoxy primer, gray finish, and 2 of them. And then we got our gallon of paint here. So, they come with a nice cool sticker, so now I can add it to somewhere on the workbench. By the way, a while back, and I'll put the link into it, the Dart was featured on Stacey David's gears. So that was really cool, added on there. Got a nice cutting tool from Woodward Fab, if I don't fall over. It's right there. And one of these days I'm gonna pull that sucker out and play with it some. But that's for another day. All right, so inside the kit that I ordered, which the link will be in the description, comes with the gallon can of primer, catalyst, 2 cans of guide coat, the epoxy primer spray cans, and 4 cups of the mixing ratio stuff. It's actually pretty cool. Really nice product. It looks good. Comes with instructions how to make sure you do everything properly. And I cannot wait to start using it. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video. I cannot wait to use this product. I am so excited for it. This weekend, we'll be finishing up the fenders. We're going to pull the doors off, rip everything out of them, and get them done up. The one I'm not looking forward to is the driver's door because it's got some signs of battle scars. So we'll see how that's going to turn out. Possibly have to start knocking out some dents with a hammer. Who knows? So be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll catch you on the flip side.